Okay, this video is going to be about how to get the best sound effects on iMovie. As you can see, I have right there. First of all, you want your screen recorder to be active. So you need to go into Control Center. I already have, and press Customize Controls. You will have a bunch of these minuses. You see at the bottom of the minuses, there's a screen recording. That means I have it activated. So these things with the plus next to them, the screen recording will have a plus next to them somewhere. So you just gotta press the plus next to the screen recording, and it'll turn into a minus. And what that does is, let me X out of settings, and if you go up like this, you can see if you swipe up like that, you can see the screen recording thing right here. And maybe if you have a later version of iOS, you can swipe down right there, like next to the battery. But you want to go into YouTube and find your sound effect, like that. I can't really hear anything. Audio's not working. Bruh. But it's very quiet. I'm not sure why. It's not even my volume. My volume's not even that quiet. It's right there. You go in iMovie, you can press plus, and then grab that video clip that you just did. But I didn't record that because I'm recording this video, so it's not in there yet because I'm still recording. Like this, and then I'll have a clip from a different video. Maybe this one. Make that none. Right? Make it none, and then
thank you, come again.
And then you want to detach the audio from it, like I said before, and then you want to put it where you want to put the audio, and you're going to delete this clip because you don't want that in your video. So we're checking the ball here.
Thank you, come again.
I have the sound effect just come up, but I want to see right there. So I'll split this here because that transitions right where I want my my sound effect to be. I mean, I wouldn't really put this one in, but
thank you, come again.
And then now we play, right? I don't know why it's so quiet right now, but it is. So I'm just gonna have to deal with that. And then when you're done, do whatever. And that's how you get great sound effects on iMovie.